The USB-C docking station is a game-changer for any laptop user seeking to enhance their productivity and visual experience. This dual-monitor adapter is compatible with Dell and HP laptops, offering a seamless way to expand your workspace. Imagine having up to 3 additional monitors connected to your laptop, creating a quad display setup. This hub not only provides extra screen real estate, but also ensures a smooth and efficient workflow. With its advanced technology, this docking station ensures a stable and high-speed connection. You can expect seamless video and audio transmission, making it ideal for professionals who rely on visual presentations or multimedia tasks. The setup process is straightforward, and the included USB-C cable ensures a secure and reliable link between your laptop and the docking station. One of the standout features is its ability to support multiple monitors simultaneously. Whether you're a designer, programmer, or simply someone who loves multitasking, this adapter allows you to organize your work across multiple screens, improving efficiency and reducing the need to constantly switch between windows. Additionally, the USB-C hub functionality provides a range of ports, including USB 3.0, HDMI, and Ethernet, ensuring you have all the connectivity options you need. This means you can easily connect external hard drives, keyboards, mice, and other peripherals, transforming your laptop into a powerful desktop replacement. In terms of performance, this docking station delivers. It offers fast data transfer rates, ensuring your work is saved and accessed quickly. The included drivers and software ensure a plug-and-play experience, making it easy to set up and use without any technical headaches. Overall, this USB-C docking station is a must-have accessory for anyone looking to maximize their laptop's potential. It provides an affordable and convenient way to create a professional-grade workstation, whether you're working from home or in an office environment. With its dual-monitor capability and versatile connectivity, it's a top choice for anyone seeking to boost their productivity and take their work to the next level.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.